Hello, this is Daisy from the Woodcrest Library, and for today's craft we will be making a magician's hat and a magic wand. And along with the magician's hat, we will be making a trick. And this is our magic trick that we will be pulling out of our magician's hat. And then this is our magic trick that will be coming out of our magician's hat. So let's get started with this craft. For this magician's hat and wand and magic trick craft, your craft kit will have the following items: a bunny, then a Ziploc bag full of black and red circles, as well as a few stars, and then some cards, plain cards, and then a piece of fishing wire. And then you will also have three circles drawn out for you on pieces of black paper, and then these two pieces of black paper. Okay, For this craft, you will need the following items: a piece of tape and then a pair of scissors. For the tape, you would like to use clear tape, but for the craft video, I will be using blue tape, so that way you can see what I'm taping. Alrighty, let's get started. So we're going to first start by making our magician's hat. So we're going to need all of our papers. For the magician's hat, you should have the following pieces of paper in your craft kit. Okay. And the first thing you want to do with this part is you want to go ahead and start cutting out all of your circles. So you're going to need to cut out 2 circles on this piece of paper. And then for this circle, you want to cut out on the outside of the circle and the inside of the circle. And I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay. Once you have all your circles cut out, we're going to go ahead and start assembling the top of the hat first. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab one of our little circles, and we're going to grab our 2 pieces of black paper. And for this part, you're going to want to go ahead and roll the piece of paper on the edge of a table, just so that it gets that shape, the round shape that we need for our hat. So what you want to go ahead and do is just take these 2 pieces of paper and go ahead and just go on the edge of the table and just give it that little smooth part. And this is what your paper should look like after we have taken our pieces and taken the table's edge and given it like that smooth shape. It will be easier to put the hat together like that. Okay. And then once you have it all nice and with a nice curve, what you're going to do is you're going to want to go ahead and fold in 1/2 inch on the top of the piece of paper. Okay, so now you have 2. And just make sure that this has still just glided over the edge of the table like this. Okay. So what we're going to do now is grab our pair of scissors. You're going to go ahead and cut on that 1/2 inch side all the way, and it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be cut enough so that way we can put the tape together. And you want to do the same thing for both pieces of paper here. Okay. Once you have them all cut around the edge, what we're going to do is start putting our magician's hat together. Alright, so what you're going to do is you want to put this at the bottom of your circle, and you want to go ahead and grab pieces of tape and start taping it down. Okay. And again, you can go ahead and use clear tape. I'm just using blue tape to make sure that you're able to see what I'm doing with the black paper. Okay, and then you just want to go ahead and tape this all around the edge of the circle. Okay. And now we're going to do the same for this piece of paper over here. And we're going to do it like this. What you're going to do is, with the second piece of paper, you're going to go ahead and put it underneath a little part way through, so that way you can get this to stick. I'm just going to tape the sides here. And then just continue on and put tape inside. I want to tape down the inside of the flaps. Go ahead and keep this nice and taped. Tape the top of the sides. Okay. Now we're going to flip it over. And you're going to notice that there is places where you're going to need tape. So what you're going to do in that case is go ahead So what you're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and grab a piece of tape and just roll it. Grab a piece of tape and just roll it. And then go ahead and tape those places where you see that the top of the hat is coming loose. Okay, and then just secure that. So now our hat, the top of the hat is secured. And keep in mind, this is all supposed to be clear tape, so you won't have this blue tape on your magician's hat. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and take our second circle, and we're going to go ahead and fold this guy down. You can do halfway or less than halfway, but you just want to fold it just a little bit. A little before the halfway. Okay, so it's not on the center, but a little bit above the center. I'm going to go ahead and put this inside. Okay. Now for this part, you don't want to tape it all the way in because this is where our magic trick is going to be. You just want to tape about, add 3 pieces of tape just to secure this piece. So just 1, 2, 3. Because what you want ideally is that you want to be able to put stuff between the flaps. Okay? And now we're going to work on our hat's rim. So what you do is you want to cut the outside circle and the inside circle to give us our little rim. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and put this on top of our rim. Okay. Okay. And again, we're going to just tape this on. And if you have this part where it's like you have a little bit of over, what you can go ahead and do is just cut this. So it's cut. So you want to do is go ahead and finish taping one side. All the way. Okay, and then we want to go ahead and tape the other side. And then they should overlap a little. And there you go. So we got our magician hat done. And this is how we make our magician's hat. Now we're going to go ahead and start making our magician's wand, our magic wand. So for our magic wand, you should have the following items in your kit: a black straw, and then a small piece of white tape, a small piece of white paper. And with this one, I'm going to go ahead and use clear tape. So what we're going to do is going to grab a piece of white paper, and we're going to grab our straw. We're going to put this at the very end, and we're going to just curl it in. You want to make sure this is tight. Okay. And then just, this will only need just one small piece of tape. And then just tape this on. And here you go. You got your magic wand. Now for our magic trick. To create our magic trick, we're going to go ahead and go into our little Ziploc bag and pull out the tricks we can put in our magic hat. So you're going to have a piece of fishing wire. Okay, so you should have all of these items in your Ziploc bag. And so for this part, what you want to do is go ahead and cut out your bunny and your 2 cards. So once you've cut out your bunny and your 2 cards, you can go ahead and get started with creating the magic trick to this craft. So what you want to do is, now this is up to our magician how they would like to have their magic tricks in their magic hat, but you can go ahead and tape all of these items onto your fishing wire however you like, or what you can do is cut them into smaller pieces and have one for just the bunny, one for the star, and one for the cards. It is completely up to the children how they would like to do this part. So I will go ahead and show you one way, and then I'll show you the other way. So we're going to go ahead, just tape the fishing wire onto our bunny. Okay. And now we have our bunny. So if we come back to our hat, so for our magic trick, the first option is you can do these all individually, or you can string them all in a long string. But if you want to go the first option and just string everything separately, you can do that. You can go ahead and put our bunny inside the magician's hat. Let's do our hat. And then when it's time to go ahead and do your magic trick, you can go ahead and pull out the bunny. Alrighty, once you have all this part done and you have created your trick, I'm gonna go ahead and put these all in our magician's hat. You can put them all together in one big pile, or you can do it individually. So we're gonna go ahead. There we go. Alrighty. Alrighty. Bibbidi bobbidi boo, and then you can go ahead and pull out your first trick. And your second trick. And your last trick. Ready? Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed creating this magician's hat, magician's wand, and our tricks for the magician's hat craft. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now. Bye.